Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best chocolate coloring is probably one of the most exciting ways to elevate your treats. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, the right food coloring can transform plain chocolate melts into vibrant masterpieces. In this video, we'll dive into the world of food coloring specifically designed for chocolate, exploring the best options to achieve stunning colors and perfect results every time. Number 5. U.S. Cake Supply Liqua-Gel Decorating Set. This set of Liqua-Gel colors is perfect for all your cake decorating needs. They are highly concentrated and come in a wide range of bright, vivid colors. These gels mix and disperse instantly, making them easy to use. The squeeze bottles with flip-top lids allow you to add drops for consistent colors every time. The colors are freeze-tolerant and won't break down your icings. They are also fade and bleed resistant, ensuring your decorations stay perfect. You can use it with whipped toppings, buttercream icings, fondant, cake batter, and cookie dough. It's the perfect addition to any baker's toolkit. All the colors are made in the USA with high-quality ingredients. They are also certified kosher, so you can be sure of their quality and safety. What we like. This product is proudly made in the USA, ensuring high-quality ingredients. The gels are easy to mix and disperse, giving you consistent colors every time. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use food coloring set for your chocolate creations, this is a great choice. What people say. Colors are vibrant and require little use for great coloration. You don't have to use very much of the dye in order for it to really pop in the frosting or cakes you make. The colors are vibrant and the concentration is strong enough that you don't need a lot. Number 4. U.S. Cake Supply Candy Food Color 8-Bottle Kit. This kit from U.S. Cake Supply includes 8 large 2-ounce bottles of liquid candy food coloring. It's perfect for coloring your chocolates and candies. The food coloring is proudly made in the USA. This ensures quality and reliability for all your candy-making needs. Each bottle contains a generous 2 ounces of oil-based food coloring. This ensures you have plenty to color your creations. The oil-based formula is ideal for use with chocolate, candy centers, and hard candy. It mixes easily and provides vibrant colors. Add the color 1 drop at a time until you reach your desired shade. This concentrated formula allows you to achieve the exact color you want without changing the consistency of your product. What we like. With large 2-ounce bottles, you get more color for your money. It's oil-based, making it perfect for chocolate and candy. By adding just a small amount, you can achieve the exact shade you want. If you need a lot of color and want precise control, this product is ideal. What people say. These food coloring dyes are great, very vibrant, and it doesn't take much to get the color you want. Colors are super vibrant, love that it brings so many colors for the price. It's a great deal and the bottles are a grille size. I'm so glad I found these. It makes coloring chocolate so easy and I get vibrant colors. Number 3. ERCorArt Oil-Based Food Coloring for Chocolate. This oil-based food coloring is specially designed for high-fat contents. It blends perfectly with chocolate and candy melts. Use it to elevate your creations with vibrant and rich colors. Made with safe, high-quality ingredients, this food coloring is safe for consumption. It's also tasteless and odorless, so it won't alter the flavor or texture of your food. Enjoy stunning colors without any compromise. This versatile set is suitable for chocolate, cake decorating, candy, frosting, and more. It's perfect for both professional chefs and beginners. Explore endless creative possibilities with it. Shake it before use. The improved formula ensures you only need a few drops to achieve vibrant results. Each color delivers intense and pure shades. Experience the ultimate color payoff with this product. If you find any color discrepancies or have any concerns, please contact us. We will do our best to resolve any issues. We are here to help you. What we like. This oil-based formula blends perfectly with chocolate and candy melts. It's tasteless and odorless, so it won't affect your flavors. The concentrated formula means you only need a few drops for vibrant colors. If you like intense colors without altering the taste, you should consider this. What people say. The colors are bright, mix evenly, and a little goes a long way. It mixes into frostings well. They're concentrated so it doesn't take much. Number 2. DaCool oil-based food coloring for baking. Introducing DaCool oil-based food coloring, perfect for your baking needs. This coloring is designed to mix seamlessly with high-fat content ingredients like chocolate and candy melts. This food coloring is made with safe, non-GMO ingredients and is free of gluten, dairy, sugar, peanuts, and nuts. It's tasteless and odorless, so it won't affect your food's flavor or texture. Unlike water-based food coloring, this oil-based formula is specially designed to blend perfectly with chocolate and candy melts. It ensures vibrant colors in your treats. This set includes 8 bright colors, including an upgraded purple. You can also mix them to create custom shades, making it ideal for cake decorating and more. Remember to shake it before use. Get more pure and bright colors with the upgraded formula. For example, the red dye is a pure red, and the black dye is super black. Shake well before use. Use this food coloring for cake decoration, buttercream, meringue, chocolate, icing, fondant, and even kids' slime. It's perfect for holidays, birthdays, and crafts. Please note, it is not for use in water and beverages. What we like? It's made with safe, non-GMO ingredients and comes in 8 bright colors. This oil-based food coloring is designed for high-fat content, ensuring it mixes well with chocolate. If you want a variety of vibrant colors for your chocolate and other treats, this is the one for you. What people say? Definitely my favorite coloring for chocolates. It is oil-based so it doesn't make your chocolate seize up. However, if you use too much of it then your chocolate could become super runny and not set right or leak. Este producto es la mejor compra que he hecho para colorear el chocolate. Tenía dudas ya que siempre compro de colores pero esto es serve y no es hecha a perder o es seca. Muy bien precio, de buena calidad y pigmentan muy bien. Number 1. Oil-based food coloring set for cake decorating. Introducing the oil-based food coloring set, perfect for all your baking needs. This set is designed to easily mix with butter, fat, and oil-based substances. This set includes 9 vibrant colors: red, pink, black, orange, yellow, white, blue, purple, and green. It's ideal for decorating chocolate cakes and other treats. This professional-grade coloring kit is specifically designed for chocolate and candy melts. It's a new and improved recipe that ensures perfect results every time. Made with food-grade ingredients, this coloring is vegetarian-friendly and free from eggs, peanuts, nuts, and gluten. It's tasteless and odorless, so it won't affect the flavor of your food. Use it for cake decoration, buttercream, meringue, icing, frosting, and hard candy. It's great for holidays, birthdays, parties, and all your DIY crafts. Please note, it's not for water and beverages. What we like? This set offers 9 vivid colors perfect for chocolate and candy melts. The oil-based formula ensures it blends seamlessly. It's made with food-grade ingredients and is tasteless and odorless. If you are looking for a wide range of colors for your chocolate creations, it is a great choice. What people say? Great product, colored my almond bark perfectly. They have a great color consistency and are easy to blend with chocolate melts. Estos colorantes base de aceite son perfectos para trabajar con chocolate. Los probe y el color queda intenso, uniform y sin que el chocolate se corte. Se mezclan fácil, no cambian la textura y rinden bastante. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.